subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great video with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Guys, I want to take this time out to say thanks to everyone who been so supportive with my YouTube journey and my TikTok journey. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video you will be the first to receive the video. So in today's video I'm going to do a roast pumpkin with garlic butter sauce. I'm going to do a crayfish salad, and I'm going to do some bell pepper curry chicken with some white rice, a little raw vegetable. So I'm just going to walk you through the step of how I prepare all of these amazing dishes for you guys. So before further ado, let's jump into the video, guys. So I am going to do some crawfish salad. So these are the crawfish that I'm going to be using to make the salad, and as you guys can see, the crawfish, they are still alive. So I am gonna clean them up and scald them for 5 minutes and take out the meat out of the shell and show you guys how I prepare the salad. So guys, here we have the chicken breast that I julienne it and wash it off with some vinegar. So I am gonna use some chicken season, some all-purpose season, some garlic powder, so it's 1 spoon each. I'm going to use some bell pepper, onion, scallion, pepper, garlic, pimento seed, and just a little bit of thyme. So I'm going to add in the sweet pepper and the onion, the garlic. Add in the powdered season. I'm gonna mix in everything. I have the meat finished seasoning up, so if you're attempting to do the curry bell pepper chicken, preferred choice of the chicken is the breast, and you're gonna julienne it, and in 10 minutes the chicken breast is finished cooked. So after finished cook, then you add the bell pepper in it and just give it like a minute, then turn it off. So this is what the chicken is looking like. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate. Guys, now the water boil up, so I'm gonna add some pepper, some garlic. I'll add just a little bit of salt in the pot. And as you guys can see, me have the crayfish them, wash them off, still have them in some clean water. Now add them in. So I am going to scald the crayfish for 5 minutes. Oh, crayfish still alive. Checking on the crayfish. As I was explaining, I'm giving them 5 minutes to scald, so I'm just checking on them. So now I am taking off the pot, guys. The heat is killing me. Because the crayfish done scald now. I'm going to throw it off the water and pick them out of the shell. I'm gonna add some cooking oil into the pot to burn the curry, and I'm gonna also add a little of the cooking oil in the water for the pasta. I'm gonna add some salt into the water for the pasta. I'm gonna boil the pasta. So I'm gonna boil the pasta with the mixed vegetable together. So I'm using some frozen vegetable. So I am gonna burn the curry, guys. I'm using some better pop curry. So I'm using like 2 spoons of curry just to burn it, ensure the curry is burned properly. And when you burn the curry, guys, the curry get to be mild on the meat that you are cooking. I'm gonna add in the meat, which is the chicken breast. I'm gonna cover the meat and let it take its time and produce its own liquid. Add in some shredded ginger into the curry. Roughly about a teaspoon. So now I am currently taking out the meat out of the crayfish tail. So I'm taking out the roe out of it. So in order to make the crawfish salad, you have to pick out the tail of the crawfish, because only the tail is gonna be using in making of the salad. So guys, the curry chicken cook, which are the bell pepper curry chicken. So now I am gonna add in the bell pepper. So I'm using some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper. So I am adding in some onions. So basically I'm just re-seasoning the pot just to add some more flavor in it. So it's a bell pepper curry chicken. Now the bell pepper curry chicken finished. So I'm just gonna throw it out into another container, which is the non-stick pot. Yep, and this is how I do my curry bell pepper chicken, guys. And I have the pasta, so I'm gonna use some bell pepper, some purple onion, tomato, scallion, just a little bit of green pepper in it. So I'm gonna add in the crawfish. Just a little bit of brown sugar. So I'm gonna add in the bell pepper, tomato, purple onion, scallion. So I'm just combining everything together. And this is Caribbean Vibes way of making the crayfish salad. So I'm going to use some mayonnaise in it. And the mayonnaise should be the last thing you whisk in into the salad. I'm just scraping out the salad into this bowl. This is Caribbean Vibes way of making the crawfish salad, my people. So now I am just cutting up the pumpkin. So I'm adding them in the baking tin. I'm gonna bake them for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna melt the butter just to add on it. and put it back in the oven for a minute or two. So it's roast pumpkin with garlic butter. Guys, I'm gonna just add the pumpkin inside the oven, and the oven is at 250. So I'm gonna roast the pumpkin for 20 minutes because the oven is inside, so that's why I have to do the pumpkin inside. As you guys are aware, it's an outdoor cooking channel. So now I'm adding quarter stick of butter, adding a piece of scallion, and scallion wash the time wash. Guys, it's very important you wash your seasons before using them. And just a little bit of salt, just a little pinch of salt. So I give it another 2 minutes before I wash the rice and put it in the pot. So now I'm going to add in the rice in the pot. Guys, I'm actually checking on the pumpkin, so it have been roasting for 25 minutes now. As you can see, it is coming on good. So the next thing now is to melt the butter with the garlic and add the garlic butter sauce over it, and add it back into the oven for another 5 minutes. I'm going to just cover the rice with the bag. I'm just wrapping the rice pot so that the rice can steam. Yep, I'm melting the butter for the garlic butter sauce. So when I was roasting the pumpkin, I never add any salt on the pumpkin, because reason being the butter itself contains salt, so that is the reason why I never add any salt on the pumpkin. So now I'm gonna add the garlic into the butter. I'm adding the butter and the garlic over the pumpkin because it is our roast pumpkin garlic butter. Add it back into the oven just for another 5 minutes. So I am checking on the rice. So the rice don't steam. So that's it. So the pumpkin done, the meat done, everything done, the salad done, and the vegetable done, guys. So we are almost reached to the end of the video, so I'm just gonna share out the food, make gonna see what I go on. Guys, I am at the end of the video, and this is my crayfish salad, roast pumpkin with garlic butter, curry, bell pepper, chicken, and some white rice with some vegetable. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, so when I upload the latest video, you will be the first to receive the videos from my channel. I'm out.